Hello students, today we are going to solve third numerical of network. Question is given as, draw a network diagram for the project having 9 activities with the following relationship. Now relationship is shown here, that is like this. Now we have to draw the network according to this relationship. Now in this relationship, A and B start at the same time. It means that A and B are the starting activities. So we will draw A and B just like this. D follows A. So we have to follow the A for drawing activity D, that is like this. Now next condition will be C follows D as well as C follows B. So we will draw C here, and C precedes F and H. So here H will be like this and F will be like this. G follows F but precedes I. It means that G follows F, so we have to draw G here, and it precedes I, so I should be drawn here. E follows A but precedes I. It means that E have to be drawn here. E follows A but precedes I. It means that E should be drawn here. That is, it must follow A but precedes I. Now that is the network diagram of this question as per the relationship. Now we will number the events as per the Fulkerson's rule. So here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.